Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Review question 5 of chapter number 12. Write a chemical equation to show the preparation of ethene from dehydration of alcohol and dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. So we have to ask for the preparation of ethene by dehydration of alcohol and dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. So first, dehydration of alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol. So dehydration means that removal of water molecule from alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol means that removal of water molecule from alcohol. So I am taking a member of alcohol which is ethyl alcohol. So CH3CH2 OH. It is ethyl. When ethyl is attached to OH group, it is ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol, when ethyl alcohol when reacted in the presence of H2SO4 at 170 degrees centigrade, it removes water molecule. And how it remove water molecule? It remove OH group from this carbon and one hydrogen from this carbon. So H from this carbon and OH from this carbon. So H and OH makes H2O. So hydrogen molecule, water molecule removed. So the remaining, now it will be CH2 and CH2, and the valencies which removed, which has been lessed by removing OH from this carbon and H from this carbon, makes another bond between carbon to carbon. So now there will be double bond between carbon to carbon. So it is now ethene. So ethene is prepared by dehydration of alcohol. Second, we have also to prepare ethene by dehydrohalogenation of ethyl halide. Dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. I am taking any of the member of alkyl halide. So I am taking ethyl chloride, ethyl CH3CH2. it is ethyl and chloride, it is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride, when reacted with KOH in the presence of alcohol, Cl, this process is dehydrohalogenation. D means removal, hydro means hydrogen, and halogenation means that halogen atom, and in this compound we have a halogen atom of chlorine. So hydrogen will remove from this carbon and chlorine will remove from this carbon. Chlorine is attached to this carbon, so from this carbon chlorine will remove, and from this carbon hydrogen will remove. There are 3 hydrogen atom, 1 hydrogen will remove, so remaining will be 2. So it is now CH2 double bond CH2. Now it is ethene. The removed Cl attached to K to form KCl, and the removed H attached to OH to form H2O. So these are the byproduct which will form by the process of dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. So for the compound of alkyl halide we have taken is ethyl chloride. When ethyl chloride is reacted with KOH in the presence of alcohol, ethene and KCl and H2O will form. So this is the question number 5 of review question. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.